So, what is a boiler service and is it a legal requirement? When you need your boiler serviced, you need to call out a gas safe registered engineer. They'll come out to your property and they'll carry out some maintenance checks to ensure your boiler is working safely and efficiently. While it's not a legal requirement, most manufacturers will insist that you get your boiler serviced in order to maintain its warranty. If you don't own your home and you're renting it instead, then it is a legal requirement for your landlord to have a gas safety check done annually.